Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 2 of our Dollar General clearance event deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder, I have already uploaded several other clearance event videos for you all. So if you are new to clearance events, if you've never shopped at a clearance event, or if you have any questions about clearance events, make sure that you check out my How to Shop the DG clearance event videos. I also uploaded a video earlier this week going over all the big categories with visuals and pictures and UPCs and all that good stuff. And then late last night, I did upload part 1 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals, deals, and coupon matchups. So if you missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at the deals. Now this video is going to be a little bit different than my normal clearance event videos. This is kind of like a little hodgepodge of items. We do have a lot of hair accessories going in this clearance event, so make sure that you check that out. They could be in the clearance section, or they could be in the regular spot on the shelf. They could be marked, they could be unmarked. Every store is going to vary. Now also in this video, I have included some toys that recently got marked down, as well as deodorants. And then toward the end, there are a few little household items, just kind of random things. So it's kind of a hodgepodge video, but I'm trying to get out as much information as I can. And this week has been absolutely crazy between the P&G spin deals, 5 off 25s, 10 off 40s, all kinds of crazy stuff. Plus, just today, a new DG store coupon popped up on my account. We're going to take a look at that toward the end of the video. Now, I do want to remind everybody to make sure that y'all stay tuned and check back with the YouTube channel. I'm going to try my best to get out another video for you all, jam-packed full of deals. However, in the meantime, I may be making posts on the community tab, or I may put together some YouTube shorts. So make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Now also, I did stop at my local Dollar General store this morning just to scan a few items to see what all was going on. The majority of the items are scanning and ringing up correctly. However, some of these newer items that just hit the clearance markdown, some of those are not automatically ringing up the additional 50% off, so just be aware of that and scan before you go up to the register. Now, I will say that the majority of the items that we have coupon matchups for, like the air care, the Swiffers, all of that stuff is ringing up correctly, the additional 50% off at the register. If you're at a 70% off store, it should ring up the additional 70% off. But if you run into any issues, always ask the employee, can you manually adjust it down for the additional 50% off for the clearance event? And remember that a little bit of kindness goes a long way. Alright guys, now we are almost to the end of this video, so I did want to stop and point out this digital coupon that showed up on my account this morning. It is earn $20 off of a $20.01 purchase when you make 3 qualifying purchases of $25 or more at DG. And luckily for us, this coupon does not expire until the end of September. So I'm really excited to see what is going to happen with this coupon. Will our 5 off 25s qualify for this deal? If they do, this is going to be fantastic. So if you have that coupon, make sure that you clip it to your account. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Good luck, everybody. I hope y'all score some amazing deals. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.